Hi guys, back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a video with glitch and shake effect on CapCut. So first, to add a glitch effect, you need to go to the video effects, find glitch tab, and then select the bad TV effect. Okay, this one. Then adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 60. Okay, it will go like that. Click on a check icon, then adjust it. I'm going to put it at the start of my video like this. You can make it short, then copy it and place it in every clips. Then after that, go to video effects again, and now click on the nightclub tab and select shake. This one. Adjust the speed and also the intensity. I'm going to go with 50, I think 8. Okay, click on the check icon, then place it the same or set the effect the same as the first one. Okay, so you can just put it in every. Lastly, add a slanted blur effect in the opening and closing. Find slanted blur. Okay, this one. Then adjust the blur. I'm going to go with 30 and rotate 12 or 10. Okay, place it the same with the previous effects. Okay, so the glitch with and shake effect will go like this, and then you can also add this optional animation. You can go to click on a clip, go to animations, and then choose in and find the swing top left animation. Okay, click on the check icon, and then I'm going to add another animation. So now I'm going to add a fade out animation. So this is optional. You can also not add this animation, but with animation it will go like this, and this is the one without animation. Okay, so that is how you can add a glitch and shake effect in CapCut. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.